Hey guys, welcome to JBS Garage, and in today's video we're carrying on with the GY6 swap from a 50cc to a 125cc and a John Way head. Right, let's get on with it. So it's freezing outside guys, and there's not really much room for me to get you anywhere, so this is the best angle I can get for now. But what I'm doing is I'm just going to undo the bottom engine now and the rear shock. And there's other steps I want to do before that obviously, like get the airbox and shit off, so get started. I want to do a giveaway of just a shitty engine that don't run. Do you not want it? Obviously I'm not doing that guys. I remember you left my spirit with you high is all I'm feeling. Right, so now the front engine up, because the shock is off. Thank God for that. Also by the way guys, this torch is fucking sick. Now that is our 14, so we're going to get my 14 out, test that on there. Perfect fit. So, let me get my ratchet again. Where have I put it? Behind me. I'll keep putting it behind me and then forgetting it's behind me. So, just gonna... Fuck's sake, this thing. Oh, starting doing this. Now there is a nut on the other side, I'm going to have to get to in a minute. I'm just, yeah. Just wanted to get it cracked without having to touch it. I'm not sure if the nut's captive or not, which it could be, but I think it might just be rusted in place, which is why mine's actually undoing right now. Ah, it's now spinning. But it's finger loose, so I don't have to go get a tool. Oh, I have to get tools. Right, 1 second, we just get a spanner. Let me see what size it is. That looks like 14 as well. And because there's quite a tight gap here, I can just put the spanner on there with the ringer end, and then just undo it with the ratchet without even holding the spanner. Because it'll hold itself on. In an ideal world. Sometimes it doesn't work out this way. Sometimes the spanner does all sorts of crazy things, pings off, hits you in the fucking face, does what, all sorts. But it seems to be working fine for me right now. The method I've always used. Saves you having to use 2 hands. Ooh, just caught my thumb on the kickstart though. Ooh, that hurt. That was quite a freaking nasty one actually. Yeah, it's not even the nut that's tight anymore. It's because it's an engine nut. That's why it's tight. Okay, so that explains that. That's why I'm struggling. Completely forgot that it was going to be under stress because it's holding the frame up. Silly me. Right, now you do the other side, that also 14. A bit more of an awkward angle because it's on that side. So, I'm just going to do that. Right now I can't see anything, so I need to get the trusty torch. Hopefully not underneath the tent, but it's not here. Fucking hell. There you go. Right, and now I can see engine nut bolt is right here, just in front of the fucking, well, what would be the chassis number and stuff, but it's completely corroded. And yeah, I'm gonna undo it. So in theory, the engine and frame should be separated now. They are. Apart from the cables. Brad forgot the cables. Right, we've got a throttle cable and a rear brake cable to deal with now. Because Brad forgot. Just had another phone call, but don't worry, because I've got the cable out. That's it. Engine is off. New engine is there. Ah! See, the old engine mount is down there on the bottom, right? The new engine mount, yeah, is there at the top. And that's going to go right up there. Oh shit, wait, look over there guys. Wait.
Who's that piece of crap?
What is that alien looking thing? It's an alien, bro.
Right, the cunt's back. Right, what am I going to ruin today?
The alien's here, bro. Illegal alien.
I got a light in there.
Yeah, there's a little lamp in my bedroom. Birdie. So he's just got it and he's already working his fucking arse off undoing the fucking engine mount for me at the bottom. What a little darling this guy is. Absolute darling, isn't he? Give it a good tug. That's it. That's it, mate. Put engine mount off. Now, if this engine mount doesn't fit, we may have to reuse this and a bit of flat stop iron bar to make an engine mount. And some of you at home, they have to do that as well. So I might make one just to show you guys and end up still using this, or I might make one using this. We don't know yet, but engine mounts do have to be made for this swap. So let's get this rubber out of here. That's out, and that's that. Whew. So now we can put the frame back down and see if it fits. Ooh. So what have we determined, Sonny?
Right, so this ain't fucking going in there.
Ain't going in there, is it? So we have to make a new one, don't we?
Fits.
So we're going to be using this old fucking thing here. Not right now, because it's getting late. Alright? But we will be using this thing to make a new top engine mount for this thing. For now, we're just going to crack on and taking this thing off and try to test fit it again. New idea here, right? We can actually use that bit there that goes in between, because this is the other engine mount, yeah? And instead of cutting and fucking around with those or whatever, yeah? We can literally just make that fit in between and weld something on top. Sounds like a better plan to me. So we've got the rear of the engine mounted up. Yeah, right now it's like pushed over to one side, which is why it's leaning. Yeah, but if we actually like, I can't really get it in the right position to show you guys, but it actually lines up perfectly. Right there. So like everything's twisted right now because you don't have a front engine mount, obviously. But the mock-up is going perfectly. The suspension lines up without having to change any of the rear mount. The front mount is going to be nice and easy to do. So you can see everything's clearly not in line right now. But yeah, this is going to be fucking
brilliant, mate.
Fucking brilliant, mate. Sonny, what are we doing next?
Oh, well, we've got fucking welding. We've got some welding to do. Yeah. Then, what else we've got to do? We've got to fucking put it in line, for one. Saying the fucking fit on that frame. Is it? It's gonna fucking kill us.
That's what you want.
And then you got some exhaust bits. By the looks of it.
Yeah.
And then, I don't know. Shag it.
Yeah, that's what you do. That's exactly what you do, isn't it?
Yeah, that's exactly what you fucking do.
How cold are you right now? Excuse me, sir. How cold are you right now?
1 to 10.
From 1 to 10, mate.
3.
3?
Yeah.
So it's 3, yeah?
Yeah. Had a beer.
Did you?
Yeah.
Did you?
I had a son, girl. I got a movie. I left outside to get cold.
It's quite mad.
And in here, it's not too bad. It's like sat outside in the rain.
Yeah, trust me.
Probably like a tad bit colder.
Yeah, 100%.
Right, so this is all we're doing. We're just putting rope on here, then putting a seat on here, and then fucking we're just wiring it all up and then just fucking riding it like this.
That's exactly what we're doing.
Yeah, we've just tied it up now. But yeah, actually fucking moves. Look at that.
Hardly.
Oh no.
It moves, just. Banging. What have you got to say to the world?
Fuck you.
So guys, saying that, we are happy to announce a giveaway. When we reach 1,111 subs, we'll be giving away this Halfords gift card for £0 and 1 pence. 1 penny is on this gift card. Ready? The best lucky subscriber, right, who enters this giveaway. All you have to do is leave a comment on the video saying Halfords, yeah? So all you have to do is enter, and as soon as I hit 1,111 subscribers, the competition closes, you know, and this 1 pence gift card will be given away. No, it's not a tenner, nothing like that. That's crazy, that's ridiculous. This is a 1 penny gift card.
I've also got an annual gift card. I think it's like 3 years old. You can have that as well.
An expired Nando's gift card as well on top. There are 2 gifts we're giving away. We'll be choosing 2 random winners on the day that we get 1,111 subscribers. Oh, thank you so much. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, leave a comment saying Halfords, and see you soon. Peace, guys.